Uy, mukhang may padala si DJI Philippines sa atin, and it's something new daw, sabi nila sa akin. Actually, hindi ko pa nakikita, no? So, you'll be the first one to see it. So, ano nakita ninyo? Baliktad. Ayan. Uy, so this is the Osmo Mobile 7P. And there's another one. Ito. It's the DJI Mic Mini. So in this video, unbox natin to para sa inyo and papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano ka-okay itong dalawang device na ito, especially for mobile vlogging. So tara, simulan natin. Now, si DJI Osmo Mobile 7P has a regular price of 4,500 pesos. And si DJI Mic Mini, yung kanyang 1 transmitter, ang kanyang presyo is 4,000 pesos. And yung kanyang 2 transmitter, pwede pang interview, is priced at 8,000 pesos. I'll post the official link of both of these devices on the description box below. So, siyempre, simulan muna natin with the Mic Mini. Eto na. Woot. May user guide siya and stickers. Sealed na sealed siya. Oh, look guys. Woot. So, nasa loob siya ng carrying pouch, by the way. Meron siya mga windscreen, charging cables, and audio cables. Etong gusto ko mabuksan. The DJI Mic Mini. Ang liit niya, guys, Meron pa siya mga factory sticker na nakakabit. DJI. Kala ko auto-eject. Hindi pala. Pag-press, kilain mo pa. Kanyang battery indicator. Nasa puwetan yung kanyang charging port. Ganito lang kaliit ang kanyang receiver, guys. Look. And honestly, yung kanyang transmitter is definitely small. One of the smallest na nilabas ni DJI, So, itabi muna natin. Dito naman tayo kay Osmo Mobile 7P. So, buksan natin. Dalawang sides siya pwede buksan, On this side and on this side. Parang may pakpak lang siya. Pero kahit buksan mo lang one side, pwede na. Meron siyang user guide. Andito ang kanyang charging cable. Kanyang magnet clip na phone holder. Meron din siyang multifunctional module. And eto na. Uy! Magaan siya, honestly. Madali naman itong gamitin, All you need to do is just bubuksan mo lang ganun. Okay na. Naka-on na siya. Kakabit mo na yung phone mo. So, tapos na tayo sa unboxing. Pag-usapan na natin performance nito ang dalawang device na ito. Hey guys, ako si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick. And right now, I'm recording using the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. And makita natin, it's following me with yung kind of module, which is definitely one of the best features na makita mo on the Osmo Mobile 7P. And plus, itong aking Mic Mini ni DJI, nakakonect dyan sa module natin. So, hindi mo kailangan mag-add ng extra weight dyan sa ating phone while you're carrying it. And one of the best thing is it can follow you around. So, if you want to start recording, just flash a V sign. You stop the recording, just flash a V sign. Now, you can also stop tracking, and reposition yourself. Magagana ka, So, makita mo mag-iiba yung kanyang, ilaw. Kaya kita mo, stop tracking na siya. Hindi na siya tracking. Kasi gusto ko natin, andito tayo, bago siya mag-track ulit. So, i-position na natin. Yan, makita mo, color green na ulit siya. So, every time na itatrack niya ako, nasa other end lang ako ng camera. Which is okay, di ba? Hindi ka lagi nasa sentro. Which is, tawag natin, is the rule of thirds. Now, if you want to stop recording, I'll just flash the V sign. Ganun lang. So, kung gusto mo i-turn on and turn off yung kanyang tracking, makita mo sa kanyang module dyan sa ilalim. So, kung nag-palm sign ka, makita mo, magsistop siya. Yan, pula. So, wala, hindi ka magte-track. So, once na nag-flash ka ulit ng palm sign, nag-green na siya, automatic, itatrack ka niya kung saan ka pumunta. Which is very useful to turn on and turn off yung kanyang tracking na mode. Second function is, of course, yung kanyang V sign to turn on and to turn off yung kanyang recording. Flash ka ng V sign to turn on and flash ka rin ng V sign to turn off yung recording, which is very useful. Pwede ka rin use ng V sign if pag naka-native app ka, naka-set ka sa photo, pwede ka rin mag-take ng photos. Okay, di ba? Makita mo nagta-tracking siya. So it follows me wherever I go, which is definitely something na magustuhan mo. Be it using the rear camera or front-facing camera, kayang-kaya i-record, no, ng walang sablay. Itong DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. Of course, siyempre, importante yung tracking module if you want to use a native app. Wherever I go, sumusunod siya. So it's perfect if you're, let's say, doing some conferencing, talking, or doing sports, no? Pwedeng-pwede dito sa DJI Osmo Mobile 7P, be it Android or your favorite iOS devices. So right now guys, gamit natin ang DJI Osmo Mobile 7P together with my Samsung Galaxy A56. So right now, nakamount dito sa aking gimbal, and also I'm using the DJI Mic Mini na nakapair dito sa kanyang multifunction na tracking module, which is definitely okay kasi hindi nagdadagdag ng weight. Now, I will be using this gimbal and try to take some really nice steady video using tong phone natin, and of course, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. So tara, let's go! So, as we see, dito tayo sa hotel. And yeah, honestly, it's really nice, no? Being able to pan around dito, it's really a good gimbal to have, itong DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. So right now, we're just simply trying to play along with itong gimbal natin, no? Yeah, so yeah. So if you're a travel vlogger, a food vlogger, I think this is a really good device to have. No, so it will give you a really nice feel, no, and very steady na video, be it landscape or portrait. Talagang magugustuhan mo tong kanyang function. Lalo na kanyang tracking module, no, which is going to be very useful, no, especially if you're a single person type of vlogger na sariling, ano lang, no, everything ginagawa sa sarili mo, magugustuhan man talaga siya. So right now, let's go outdoor naman. Let's see. Now, if you're walking on outdoors, kahit medyo windy, no, ang ganda dito sa kanya is that it keeps you on the right track, no. Hindi siya basta-basta mag-shake na. Kaya kita mo, malakas ang hangin right now here, my area, and medyo bumubuga siya against my phone. So, what's nice sa kanya is that it keeps the phone pretty steady. Yan o, kita na guys. Diba? Yan. So, this is what to expect naman talaga from a good gimbal like the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. Yan o. Really smooth. So if you're doing travel vlogging, I would say that this is definitely one of the perfect, no, na device na pwede nyo mabili, no. Kahit gumagawa ka ng live selling, you're just doing food vlog or cooking vlog, walang problema dito sa DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. Kahit anong smartphone ba gamitin ninyo, kayang-kaya niya, no. Yan, kayang-kaya na i-support. Yeah. Diba? Habang naglalakad ako, yeah, you can either lock its orientation or you can let it free-flowing. Basta steady lang naman siya. Yan. Ganun kaganda output nito. Nakita na yung performance netong dalawang device na ito. The DJI Mic Mini is definitely one of the smallest mic na available with DJI, and I really love it. Dahil sobrang ng portable, okay ang kanyang battery life, and plus yung kanyang sound quality is definitely one of the best na na-try ko for a mini mic from DJI. Equally said din dito sa Osmo Mobile 7P dahil sobrang niyang daling bitbitin, lagyan mo lang sa inyong backpack, sling bag, wala kang maging problema dahil sa sobrang liit na kanyang form factor. Plus, one of the best thing dito sa kanya is sobrang stable ang magiging video mo dito. Another thing is madali naman siya gamitin, be it a pro or non-pro user, wala kang maging problema dito. Mabilis mag-setup, mabilis mag-shoot, and mabilis mag-pack away. So kung nagko-content creating ka, I highly suggest these two devices from DJI, si Mic Mini at si Osmo Mobile 7P to enhance or probably further enhance, pagandahin ang iyong mga content, be it for landscape or portrait shooting, wala magiging problema dito sa dalawang device na ito. So kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan nyo pwede mabili itong dalawang device na ito, I'll post the official link on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a quick sub is definitely awesome. I'll see you in the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click nyo dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.